So today I got myself a new watch. This was bought at Big Camera, I think. So a friend of mine went to Japan. I got him to help me buy this watch. There's no label on the Japanese. This is the Japanese packaging box. Normally what you get from the Japanese set. So what you have here is the manual book in Japanese. There's no English at all, and the regulation FCC statement paper. Next is the warranty, international warranty card by Casio for G-Shock. This is the GG-B100 Japan JF model. International warranty. So this is the packaging for Japan set. Alright, so this is the new Mudmaster GG-B100. Let's see the watch itself. The new Mudmaster has the carbon core guard feature. Is featured with carbon core guard, which is make it lighter, mud resist, Bluetooth feature. So the older model does not have Bluetooth, but unfortunately this one does not have. It does have multi-band 6, but there's no tough solar available. It's a quad sensor Mudmaster. Compass, altimeter, barometer, thermometer, and also the fourth one is the step tracker feature. So let's see, close up to the watch itself. So this is the light. Okay. Let's remove this first. Okay. So this is the new Mudmaster. Let's close up to the details of the watch. This is a carbon core. I believe this is the carbon fiber is embedded in the front feature. Carbon core means that there's a carbon layer in between the front bezel and the back. The other is just resin. But so let's close up to there. Carbon core guard, Japanese movement, GG-B100, case in Thailand. Comparing this to it's a similar size with the GG-1000 model. It's smaller than the GWG-1000, but it's similar size to the GG-1000. See here. So similar size. It's thinner, a little bit thinner. Way less. It's very light. Way lighter than the GG-1000. features extra are there's here there is no tough solar feature here. So let's see what's the feature we have. Start with here. We have the barometer to show the atmospheric pressure. Temperature 31.5. My room is a bit too still. Yes. Recording is to record the altimeter, record the altitude when you go for track activities. You can see from the application itself how they are tracked. Day, date, and year. Stopwatch. Start here. Yes. Reset. Timer. 10 minutes. Stop. Reset. Alarm. How many alarms feature do we have? Signal. 5 alarms. And signal. Next is world time. This is set as Sydney. The local time here is set as UTC +8 Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, or Hong Kong. The world time is set as Sydney, 2 hours ahead. Then back to time. Then we have the compass feature. Compass feature. And go back, we have the altimeter. Let's see. Here we have the compass feature. Probably compass should not be near by each other, so that is the lights. Comparing this to the Mudmaster GG-1000, which one is the light? Turn off the light here to see. Okay. We'll close up to the details. Let's see. This is the new carbon core series, but it is not similar with the GA-2000 or the G Steel series where you can change the band easily. This is not changeable. You have to purchase a different the specific band for this one.